Are you an accountant rolling out management reporting inside your accounting firm, but feel you are just not able to create the dashboards or access the data you need to deliver? Do you wish you could create custom-built solutions to your SME client base at scale, and not just Xero, QuickBooks and MYOB, but also operational data like Simpro, Workflow Max, Unleashed, Deputy, De-Inventory, or even Excel data and website data? Welcome to Etani. We wrap around the world's best data analytics software, Microsoft Power BI, and make life so much easier for you. We are a custom-built platform for accounting firms. We help you scale Power BI as a service inside your firm. So what do you get packaged inside this platform? The data sources. You have all this client data sitting in the cloud, but how do you use it? We at Etani have a growing library of turnkey API integrations to deliver live data for all the popular cloud-based software. The templates. Out-of-the-box Power BI pre-built templates that are extendable. Rip them further apart to make them yours. Think of it like your own canvas. The app. Your own branded mobile application available for download on the Apple Store and Google Play Store. We keep your clients out of Power BI and you can control your costs and your IP. The training. How do you use Power BI? We provide hours and hours of content to teach you how to use Power BI and scale it to your SME client base. The CMS. Etani has a full-blown content management system for you to control the entire platform. Accountant segmentation, client segmentation, going live on reports and dashboards when you are ready, and even setting up scheduled weekly reports. Being part of Etani means being part of an amazing community. Award-winning leaders in the profession, Xero Partner of the Year winners, CPA and CA Firm of the Year winners, mid-tier firms, virtual CFO firms, Xero practice firms, and more. The entire Etani platform is bundled together at $499 per month for up to 50 clients. Sign up to a 30-day trial with no lock-in contracts. If you're not happy, we're not happy. Don't start from scratch. Bring Power BI into your firm as a service without all the legwork. Welcome to Etani.